In this video, we will discuss the task of nested for loop. In it, we have a triangle in which stars are being printed. So, how will we know that nested for loop is added? We do not have any statement. So, we have to check its length. 1. A space is printed. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 lines of star and 1 of the spaces. So, what will be its total length? 6. So, my outer loop will be of 6 and inner loop will print these stars and it will depend on the length of the outer loop. Okay, so let's discuss the example. So here I have this. I have taken these variables x, y and then taken a character, emptied it. My outer loop runs from 1 to 6, meaning 1. X is less than or equal to 6. X plus plus inner loop has y equals to 1. 1 is less than the condition of the upper one. The value of the upper one. Y is less than. It will print the stars according to the value of x, which is at the top. First, we have to only print space. If I run it, first is space, then 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and 5 stars. Okay, so if we dry run it from the stars, what is the value of x? 1. So the value of x is 1 less or equal to 5. Condition is true. If the condition of the first for loop is true, then it will go to the inner loop. If the first condition is false, it never enters the inner loop. So y equals to 1. 1 is less or equals to 1. Is less than 1. It is not even equal. 1 is less than 1? No, condition has become false. It came down. We have already given it space, so it has printed a space here. Okay, so after that, we have nulled it. Right now, it has only space and it has nulled it afterwards. It will have stars and it will keep on adding null to it. So it has nulled it. It has printed a space here. I have done a dry run here at the bottom. It will go up again. Plus plus x. What will be the value of x? 2. 2 is less than or equals to 6. Condition becomes true. It goes down. The value of y is 1. 1 is less than x. X. What did x have? It had 2 from 2, so 1 is less than 2. The condition has become true. It has printed a star. Then there has been an increment in y. So what is the value of y now? 2. My 2 is less than 2. The condition has become false. It comes outside. It has printed a star and then nulled the character. Then it comes back up. It checks. What was the value of x? It was 2. It has turned into 3. 3 is less than or equal to 6. My condition has become true. Then it comes down in the inner loop. Y equals to 1. 1 is less than 3. The condition becomes true. It prints 1 star. It goes up and adds 2 in y. 2 is less than 3. It prints the second star. 3 is less than 3 after adding increment in y. So the condition becomes false. Then the stars, it printed them. Then null the character. So it can print in it again in the next line. So it added increment in x. What was the value of 4? The value of x was 4. Y 1. 1 is less than 4. Condition becomes true. Okay. Then it has printed a star. Then there was an increment in y. 2. 2 is less than 4. It has printed the second star, the one which can be seen. Then 3 is less than 4. The condition has become true. Then it has printed the third star. Then 4 is less than 4. The condition has become false. It has come outside. Okay. Then what it did is, we go here. Let's start doing it from here. What will be the value of x? 5. My 5 is less than what? Then 6. So here what will my condition be? It will be true. So it comes down. It checked y. Y has 1 and my y is less than what? The value then x has 5. Okay, so what it has done here is it has printed a star. Then again an increment is added in y, and what is done to y? My 2 is less than 5. Condition has become true. The second star has been printed. Then it goes up again. What will be the value in y? 3. 3 is less than 5. Condition becomes true and it has printed the third star. Okay. Then 4 and it has printed the fourth star. Then 5 at the top. My 4 is less than 5 and then it has printed 4 stars here. 5 is less than 5. Condition becomes false. It comes outside. After coming outside, it printed the stars and nulled the character. Then it goes up again and added an increment to x. The value of x was 5. What will be the value of x now? It has become 6. So we have x equals to 6. 6 is less or equal to 5. It's not less, but it is equal. One of our condition has become true. Then it comes down again. Y was 1 and 1 is less than 5. What was here? 1 is less than 6. So what does x have? It has 6. The condition has become true. It prints 1 star here. Then just like this, it goes up again. Checks, my 2 is less than 6. Condition becomes true. It prints the second star. Then similarly, 3 is less than 6. It prints the third star. Then we go, 4 is less than 6. It prints the fourth star. Then it goes up again. First on 1, second on second, third on third, and fourth on the fourth. 5 is less than 6, so it prints the fifth star. It is still 6, so an increment is added again. 6 is less than 6, condition becomes false, okay? It is printed 5 stars here on 6, so 6 is less than 6. What will be the condition? False. So it has come out of this loop. So after coming out of the loop, it printed the 5 stars, then nulled the character. Then went up again and added an increment to x. Then, what will be the value of x? 7. 7 is less than or equal to 6? No, it is neither less than 6 nor equal. The condition is false, so it comes out of the loop and terminates. So what we have done is taken a task of nested for loop and dry ran its inner and outer loop.